So in today's video, I'm going to show you something a bit exciting. Well, I think it's exciting about that you can watch movies on your RC controller. Now, don't forget, this is the RC controller for my Mini 3 Pro. You don't have to turn the drone on, so forget about that because you want to watch a movie. What I like about it is you could be out for the day, you've done a bit of droning, and you sat down having a bit of a break. Why not watch a movie? How easy is that? So what we got to do first is turn on the controller. We then open up the bottom hatch here, which is a bit of a fiddle, I must say, and just pop in the SD card that's got the movies loaded up onto it. I'm not on about, you've got to contact some site. So you've loaded up the movies onto your SD card, put it in there. We then scroll down this side. Right. Now on there, it will say explore. If it hasn't got explore on it, it means you've turned on the controller and then it won't say it on there. So what you got to do, make sure you turn on the controller first, then put the SD card in there to get the explore. You press the explore, it will then come up with the videos. That's the one you want to press. Okay, so if I wanted to speed this up, I just scoot it across that way. And if I wanted to mess about with the volume, I can do that. I can bring up the volume. And then I can, if I wanted to, I can come out of that. Okay, so what I did notice is if you notice, I've got two lots there. So I press this one. And if you want to speed it up a bit, we're going to get it in there. And I can mess about with the volume by scrolling it up. I don't want to get a copyright, but I can scroll it along. I mean, how cool is this? You know, to watch a movie, okay, so it's not the biggest of pictures, but if you're out and about and you're having a bit of a break, and I'll just do another one. Let's do Kick-Ass. I love this film. And we just bring it along. We'll bring it along a bit more, and we can bring up the volume.
All those comic books, movies, TV shows. You'd think the one eccentric loner would have made himself a costume.
And I can bring down that volume if I wanted to. I mean, I think this is amazing. Now, usually when you buy a drone, you don't, you know, okay, if you can afford to buy a controller, but now with the Mini 3s on the market, it doesn't cost much more to get the RC screen, but to get this capability where you can watch movies as well, I think it's just a bit of a knockout. I'm blown away, as much as that guy that landed on the car there. So to stop it, just do that. To come out, just do that. And to get rid of it, and you can fly your drone if you wanted to, because your SD card's in the drone. So, hope you found that useful, as always, from Sean the Drone and his tips. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Anyway, I'll catch you on another Sean the Drone tip. Yeah, I'm blown away when I found out you could do that on your screen.